Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Tata Varnam, which is located in Shettigere, North Bangalore, a project by Tata Housing. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. So Tata Varnam is the part of Tata Township, which is spread across 148 acres of land parcel, out of which Tata Varnam is constructed in 67 acres of land parcel, again which is divided into phases. Let's now focus on phase 1, which is spread across 19 acres of land parcel, having 8 towers in all, with villaments and row houses premium residencies. And here you'll be getting 2 BHK 2T. 2 BHK 3T, 3 BHK 2T, 3 BHK 3T, 5 BHK 5T, 5 BHK 5T duplex premium residencies. And in Villamint, you'll be getting 3 BHK 3T and row houses will be 4 BHK plus study room. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located in BK Halli on Shettigere main road before airport toll in North Bangalore. Now coming to the further connectivity of the project, Prestige Forum Mall is 5 minutes away. Metro Junction is 5 minutes away from the project. Prestige Tech Cloud is 6 minutes away. Kampigura International Airport is 7 minutes away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project provides you 64 plus luxurious amenities like of total 4 clubhouses all over the project. Kids play area, garden area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, indoor games and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned this project provides you 2 BHK 2T, 2 BHK 3T, 3 BHK 2T, 3 BHK 3T and 5 BHK duplex premium residencies, 5 BHK duplex penthouse premium residencies, and in Villaments there is 3 BHK 3T and 4 BHK plus study room row house premium residency. So your 2 BHK 2T is starting from 1400 square feet. 2 BHK 3T 1600 square feet, 3 BHK 2T is 1700 square feet, 3 BHK 3T is 2000 square feet and 5 BHK 5T is 4100 square feet super built up area. 3 BHK 3T Villamint is 3000 square feet to 3600 square feet super built up area. 3 BHK 3T Villamint is starting from 2600 square feet to 3000 square feet super built up area. Row houses of 4 BHK plus study room is starting from 3400 square feet to 3600 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process. So project EOI window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the sample flight once it's ready. And the interested client can submit the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was the project teaser of the residential project Tata Varnam, which is located in Shettigere, North Bangalore, a project by Tata Housing.